Sony rare cassette camera in very good condition. Has something screws, as you see. Not have one screw, but it's not defect. Absolutely working. All is tested. All is tested and all is perfect working. Japan camera. Clean lens. All mechanism is working, all is tested. Sorry, the camera is very big and very hard to make video. All buttons is working, all is tested. I try rec, test, video, and all is working. Test, video, and all is working. As you see, all is working, all is tested. All buttons, all mode, zoom, flash, all is perfect working. Very beautiful and big camera. See you on the listings.